Hey, okay, I changed my mind. Jigsaw from Punisher is great. From the series, he was great. I'm just gonna let you know about this. So, the Punisher season 2 of Bailey as Scar Jigsaw was a great and crazy villain. In the original comic from Scar Jigsaw from the Punisher comic, he was weird, ugly, and have a scar. And the Punisher Warzone was a really Jigsaw face and weird. And in this series, it was different. Yeah. So Billy is back and he doesn't remember anything what happened in episode when Frank killed him, and now he's still alive, and now he's Jigsaw. And he loses his mind. He doesn't remember who did this, and now he got it. It was Frank because of the skull and his face. Yeah, he is so crazy. He's got really uncontrollable, and he's in love with the therapist. His therapist is evil, just like him, and yeah, I was gonna let you know for this video that Jigsaw from Punisher Season 2 was great, and changed my mind about this. Yeah, that's all that's from this video, and to share, uh, Jigsaw from Punisher Season 2.